from BS and Math. Ngayon, meron akong tatlong topic na ituturo sa inyo sa mathematics. Una is the definition and importance of mathematics. Pangalawa is perform operation ng mathematical expression. Meron tayong dalawang rules na ginagamit sa pagsusolve ng mathematical expression. First is BODMAS. BODMAS stands for bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Second is PEMDAS, stands for parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Pangatlo is arithmetic and geometry sequence.
So, what is mathematics? Mathematics is the study of numbers, pattern, shape, and logical reasoning. Sa madaling salita, ang subject na ito ay tumutulong sa atin na mag-isip ng logical at mag-solve ng iba't ibang problems. Bakit nga ba mahalaga ang mathematics? Simple lang. Kasi, palagi naman natin nagagamit ang mathematics sa pang-araw-araw. For example, kapag bumibili tayo or nagbabudget ng pera, lahat yan ay application ng mathematics sa ating pang-araw-araw.
Ngayon, naturo ko na yung definition and importance of mathematics. Ngayon, sa performance operation ng mathematical expression naman tayo. Magbibigay ako ng example sa inyo ng BODMAS. Meron akong nakandang example dito ng BODMAS. Bracket 3 plus 8, bracket plus 2 squared minus 3 times 5 plus 4 divided by 2. Sa BODMAS, di ba may rules tayong ginagamit? Yung B natin is bracket. Ito yung may bracket. So, uunahin natin to. 3 plus 8 is 11. Tapos, kakopy mo lang tong plus. Tapos, lahat to, kakopy mo lang, ibababa mo siya. 2 squared plus 3 times 5 plus 4 divided by 2. Tapos, sa pangalawang rules, di ba? Yung O is order. Ito yun yung may exponent. So, itong 11, bababa mo lang siya, tsaka yung operation. 2 squared is equal to 4. Bababa mo lang din lahat to. Minus 3 times 5 plus 4 divided by 2. Sa pangatlo is division. Ito yung division natin sa dulo. Kaya yung nasa unahan, ibababa lang din natin siya. 11 plus 4 minus 3 times 5 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So, pangapat, multiplication. So, ito tayo dito. Bababa mo lang dito. 11 plus 4 minus 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Tapos, bring down yung operation plus tapos yung 2. So, sunod is addition. So, dalawang addition natin. So, 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Tapos, copy yung operation minus. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So, 15 minus 17 is equal to negative 2. So, ito na yung sagot natin, yung negative 2. Ngayon, meron akong example dito ng PEMDAS. Parenthesis, 3 plus 8, parenthesis, plus 2 squared minus 3 times 5 plus 4 divided by 2. Siyempre, mayroon nga tayong ginagamit, diba, sa PEMDAS. Ito, unahin natin yung P. Ito yung parenthesis. 3 plus 8 is 11. Plus 2 squared minus 3 times 5 plus 4 divided by 2. Pangalawa is yung exponent. 11 plus 2 squared is equal to 4. Minus 3 times 5 plus 4 divided by 2. Pangatlo naman is yung multiplication. 11 plus 4 minus 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Plus 4 divided by 2. Sunod is division. 11 plus 4 minus 15 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. Kasunod naman is addition. 11 plus 4 is 15. Minus 15 plus 2 is 17. So, 15 minus 17 is equal to negative 2. Ito na yung tamang sagot. Nagigets nyo ba, guys? Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa performance operation ng mathematical expression. Punta naman tayo sa arithmetic and geometry sequence.
Arithmetic is a sequence where the difference between consecutive terms is always the same. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Every term ay nadadagdagan ng 3. Ibig sabihin, ang common difference nito ay 3. Next is geometry sequence. Sa geometry sequence naman, instead na addition or subtraction, multiplication, division ang ginagamit. For example, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Makikita natin na every term ay minomultiply sa 2, kaya ang common ratio ay 2.